Hi, my name is Tilly. I lost my hands to meningitis when I was 15 months old, but now I travel the world wearing these super cool bionic arms made by Open Bionics. I'm 14 years old and I think I'm the youngest speaker here today, so that's fun. I'm here today, I was talking about on stage my bionic arms made by Open Bionics, how we're trying to bring them to other countries and how they've helped my life and how I think they can help other people's lives. I got these ones in January and they're from 20th Century Fox, James Cameron. They presented me to these the world premiere of Alita Battle Angel, and I had no idea about it. So as you can tell, I was really shocked, and I knew I was going to London to pick up a new pair of hands because I'd grown out of the other ones, but I had no idea that they were inspired by Alita and I had no idea about the premiere. But it was a lot of fun and it was just one of the best experiences ever. Yeah, I'm ambassador for Open Bionics and this is what they're creating. So basically they're on the market now in countries, they're available in France, Spain, America and Germany, I believe, but we're trying to spread them out a lot more, so they are on the market now. But basically my job is to test out all the updates and wear them every day and tell Open Bionics what can improve and what would be beneficial to other people like me, because if you think about it, they can make the hands but they can't really test them because they've got hands obviously, so they really believe in co-design and rely on co-design to be able to create their product. It's been absolutely insane. My first pair of bionic hands were a tube and 3 hooks sticking out the top, tied together by elastic bands. And that was only just over 10 years ago. So a decade later, we have completely 3D printed so different hands. They're not trying to be realistic anymore, they're trying to be cool and stylish and make it fun for kids, because before it was almost like a sad story. People would come over and be like, oh, what happened? You lost your hands, that's so sad. Whereas now it's like, wow, they are so cool, where can I get my own? So it's definitely changed a lot over the years. After being stuck for so long, and then all of a sudden it just went up like that, completely vertical, 90 degrees. It's absolutely insane how fast it's improving, and it'll continue improving in the future. They've definitely changed through the generations, and this generation is really important. I always feel like the kids and the teenagers in the world are the people who are going to be making the changes 10 years in the future. So it's really important to pay attention to what they're doing, because they are going to be changing the world.